Hello followers, welcome to the unboxing of this Fairlady Z. This is a model made by Aoshima in 1/24 scale, and in this project I will challenge my skills to bring you something different. So don't miss the next videos. Starting by the most important and bigger part, here is the body of this Fairlady. As usual, Aoshima don't disappoint in quality, and even being a simple body, they were able to get everything well made and free from old lines. Well, almost, as I did found two in the rear panel. No big deal, as they are really easy to be fixed. On the clear sprue we have the windows that were made in one big part, and then on the side the headlights, tail lights and the turning signals. I will keep those in a plastic bag just to avoid any scratch or damage. Moving to the interior sprues, in this smaller one we can find the basic interior, really well detailed, especially the dash and the shift cover. I believe it with a nice paint it will look very realistic. As for the big one, we have some racing seats, a lightweight dash, some mirrors, a cage and another steering wheel, and a few other bits. Being this a street version of it, I was not expecting so many parts and so many extra parts, so we can have different options, but it's really good to have them because, well, we never know what we want to do, right? In this white sprue we can find some Rocket Bunny style spoiler, I believe. I think I'm gonna use it, it looks really good. Some wipers and some exhausts. The bottom part of the model was really a disappointment for me. I always like to have a great detail in there to give some proper paint and look realistic, you know. So in this one it looks really fake, to be honest, really fake. But I wonder what this is, because you can see rev and forward and off in the back part, so I believe it should have some type of mechanism to make the wheels go to the front or to the back. We shall see when the build goes on. As for the wheels, it came with two sets, as we saw before on the big black sprue. It got some Watanabe wheels, and in this one, on the chrome one, got these wheels. I don't really like them, to be honest. I think I'm gonna opt for the Watanabe or some other wheels, because as you know, I have a few wheels in stock right now, so we shall see. And for the last, we have the tires. A really nice and deep tread, and by the look of it, it looks like it's a Pirelli E7. I never saw this type of tires in real life, but they look alright for the car it is.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this